Welcome to Electrical Preps. And today we are still looking at integration under curves. Okay, so it's under curves. The problem is we have to find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x squared and the line y is equal to x plus 2. So they are all curves, but one is parabola, one opens, and one is a line. Okay? And don't forget, a line is a curve. So in the functions given, we have y is equal to x squared and y is equal to x plus 2. So first thing we have to do about this question is to solve for the x coordinates. Okay, that's the point of intersection of the curve and the x axis. So we can, for us to get the x coordinates, we have y here in this equation and we have y here. So we can say that y is equal to y because any y is y. So for this we have x squared, which is equal to, and this one is x plus 2. So sending this to the left hand side, we have x squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is positive already, so it will become negative. Good, negative 2. We form a quadratic equation, so we can use completing of square, factorization method, or the quadratic formula to calculate or to find the value for x. And you can see all these topics in our channel, so please you can visit it if you haven't. So with this we have x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Good. So in this case, I'm using factorization to solve for x. So x plus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 2. So these are the coordinates for x. Coordinates for x. So now we can say that let x1 is equal to negative 1 and x2 is equal to 2. It means that the curve meet at s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2. You know, we are having two curves here. Okay, one is a line and one is parabola. So these two curves meet at s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2. Okay, so let's try. We need to sketch the curve. Okay, we need to. So like this. So after getting this, x is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2, where they meet, we can choose a range, say from negative 3 to positive 3 to generate the values for y. Okay, good. So let's do it for y is equal to x squared. Okay, so when x is equal to negative 3, yes, y is, so you put negative 3 here, that is negative 3 squared, so it will be positive 9. So we have 1 point which is negative 3, 9. And when s is equal to -2, we get, when s is equal to -2, let me write it. When s is equal to -2, y will be what? So we say -2 squared, so y is 4. Okay, so you do this for all the numbers within -3 to +3. Okay, so let me write them here. So our point, we have -3, 9. We have -2, 4. The next number, which was -1. So when you put -1 in this, you get a +1. Then you do that for 0, of which you get 0, 0. Then you come to +1. When s is +1, put 1 here, you get 1. When s is +2, you put it here, get 4. So 2, 4. And when s is 3, put it here, get +9. Like this. So this is for x is equal to, so this is for y is equal to x squared. And now we have the point or coordinate for y is equal to x squared. So let's plot it here. These points are just helping us to get the curve, okay? Get a nice curve. So we can, where they meet was -1, -1, 2. This is where the points, the curves meet. Okay. 0 come here, -2, -3, 3. Like this. Then we have 1. So I'm going to speed up so that everything will be fast. So I will use 2, 4, 6, and 8. So 9 will be somewhere here. 9. Good. So let's take our -2, -4. Like this. It's a sketch, so we don't need to number everything, okay? I'm using this to explain it to you. So let's draw the curve for y is equal to x squared. So we have -3, 9. So -3, 9. So it will be somewhere here. We have -2, 4. -2, 4. So -2, we have 4. So somewhere here, like this. We have -1, 1. So -1, 1 will be somewhere here. And then, so it's close to 2 too much. So it should come somewhere, something like this, okay? Then we have 0, 0. So 0, 0 is here. And we have 1, 1 again. 1, 1. Then 2, 4. So 2, 4. Then 3, 9. So 3, 9. Please use your free hand to join the point, okay? So nicely like this. Good. So this is the line or curve y is equal to x squared. Now let's look for the coordinate for, so for y is equal to x plus 2. Similar for this, when x is equal to -3, get y is equal to, so it will be -3 plus 2, which is -1. So we have -3 negative 1. When s is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. So we have negative 2 comma 0. So you do it for the rest of the numbers, okay? So after doing it for the rest of the numbers, you must get something like negative 3, negative 1 is here, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, and then 3, 5. Good. So you do it, come here to graph it. So first point 3, 1, 3, negative 1. So 3, negative 1. So negative 1 is yes. 3, negative 1. Let's say somewhere here. Yes. 3, negative 1. It's too close to 2. Oh, okay, so let's say here. Yes. Then negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0. Then 2, sorry, negative 1, 1. So this is it. Then we have 0, 2. 0, 2. 1, 3. So 3 will be somewhere here. Yes. 1, 3. So it means that the interval between 2 and 4 is very large. Very large. So let's do it here. 2, 4, sorry. 2. Okay, 2, 4. So same point. Then 3, 5. 3, 5 somewhere here. 3, 5. Yes. Should be here. 3, 5. Right. That's why I'm using the rule to join it like this. And this, the line y is equal to x plus 2. So this is the region we are to calculate for. This region. This is what we need to calculate for the area. So area of the region, which is A, area is equal to integral the lower boundary, it was 1. This is negative 1. Then the upper boundary, which they meet again, which is 2. So the function, now you must be very careful here. You have to look at these two curves. Which one is lying on top? So with this case, you can see that y is equal to x plus 2 is on top. See? So you bring that one first, which is x plus 2. Then the one under is what? Is x squared. See? So we subtract it from it. Good. Dx. So let's differentiate this. We are going to get x squared on 2 plus 2x minus x cubed on 3 negative 1 to 2. So we had a is equal to x squared on 2 plus 2x minus x cubed on 3 negative 1 to 2. So a is equal to so 2 squared on 2 plus 2 is Good. So this is what we're having now. Let's sum up some things here. So this one will give us 2 plus 4. So this one will be 8 on 3 minus, this one to give us half. Negative 1 squared is 1 over 2 plus, so this one to be negative 2. So minus 2. Then this one minus 2 plus half 1 on 3. So when you summarize everything here, we are going to get 10 on 3 minus this one going to be negative 7 on 6. So 10 on 3 minus 7 on 6 is going to be 10 on 3 plus 7 on 6. So which is 10 on 3 plus 7 on 6 will be 9 and 2. And don't forget this unit is square unit because we are working on the area. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.